Hey everybody, thanks so much for being here. This video is going to be the first in a series of videos where I walk you through the process of building a cabin from the ground up. We'll be following along with an actual build being done by Crux Construction, and each week or every couple of weeks, kind of depending on what's going on, I'm going to show you what's happening here on site, explain the steps, and hopefully help to make the new construction process a little less intimidating. So let's go. First, here are a few pictures of the lot from last summer so you can see where things started prior to any sort of clearing or site work. Now let's dive into what has happened over the first few weeks of construction. So step one is clearing the land. Our excavators come in and prep the site by removing trees and brush where the cabin will go. Anything that can be burned safely gets piled up and burned right on site. Next up, we start digging the footers. These are a really important part of the foundation as they're ultimately what hold and distribute the weight of the cabin down into the ground. After those footers are dug, we prep them by installing rebar and setting bulkheads, which are those little wooden pieces you're seeing in the picture where we have step downs in the foundation. Once that rebar and the bulkheads are set, the county inspector comes out to make sure everything is good to go. And then once we pass inspection, it is concrete time. We pour the footers, and just like that, the foundation is starting to take shape. A couple of other items that take place at various times kind of during this initial phase are installing the septic system and having that inspected if the property doesn't already have septic in place, and also setting the T-pole, which provides us temporary power during the build process. So while it might not look like much yet, these initial steps are essential in setting the stage for everything that comes next. With our next video, I'll show you what happens after the footers are in and we really start seeing this build come to life. Hey everybody, thanks so much for being here. Hails bells, I already forgot. Hang on.